Dear ladies and gentlemen, I'm the business manager, Keynes. Where I am now is our intelligent production workshop. We have introduced many advanced production equipment, such as high-precision decoller and slitting machine, fiber laser cutting machine, intelligent profile laser cutting machine, CNC intersecting line cutting machine, intelligent welding robot, large CNC hydraulic bending machine, automatic sandblasting machine, and so on. On the both side of me are the high-standard automatic production line of H-type and box-type steel member, which one of the most advanced production line in the field of steel structure in China. From cutting, flipping, assembly, welding to the final molding, which achieved automated line production, not only to ensure product quality, but also to improve production efficiency. After 12 years rapid development, we have grown into the world's excellent professional service provider of customized steel structure design and manufacturing and engineering solutions. Build trust, ensure success. We are willing to build a salt harbor for your dreams. Thanks for watching.